Here's a requested tutorial from my group on how to draft this stylish waistcoat. So to start drafting this pattern, we're going to start with the back pattern of this dress. So for the back pattern, you mark your shoulder to bust waistline. I'm not going to be marking the under bust, then your blouse length. Please, I'll be drafting this in a miniature size. Want to mark your shoulder measurement divided by 2. Now, come down by 1 inch for your shoulder slope. After marking that, mark a basic neckline of 3 inches. Now you're going to connect this all the way to your shoulder slope. So the next step you're going to take is to find your chest line or your armhole line, and to get that is your bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. Whatever you get, you draw out a straight line there. Now the next step you want to take is to mark back your shoulder measurement divided by 2. So after marking that, you're going to place your ruler and connect your straight line. Then after connecting your straight line, the next step you're going to take is to place your tape, and you'll be dividing what you have here into 2 equal parts. Mark ½ inch. Come out by ½ inch here, place your tape and mark your bust measurement divided by 4. Connect this to the upper part and connect it to your bust measurement divided by 4. So after marking this now, you're going to mark your dart intake. So I'm going to go ahead to place my tape and mark my nipple to nipple divided by 2, right? Now you're going to go ahead to connect this all the way up. When you're done connecting at this point, the next step you take is come down by 1 inch and mark ½ inch on both sides. So I'm using a straight dart. I'll take this all the way down. After marking this, all I'll do is to connect from that 1 inch to the waist and connect to the hemline of the blouse. So this is what I have after I was done connecting. Let's insert the body measurement. Mark your bust measurement divided by 4, add your sewing allowance. Mark your waist measurement divided by 4, then go ahead to measure the dart intake, replace it, add your sewing allowance. Now you're going to connect from the waistline to your blouse length. To your bust line. So after connecting, you want to mark your hip measurement divided by 4. Pick your dart intake, replace and add your sewing allowance. Now connect from the waistline to your blouse length. So this is what I have at this point. Mark your basic neckline of 3 by 1 inch for the back neckline of this dress. So after you're done connecting, the next step is to come up here at least by 1 inch or 1.5 by the side, and you'll be connecting. This is so that you have a slight curve by the side of your pattern, and this is what we have for the back. Now after this, all I'll do is just to go ahead and cut this out. If you have any questions so far, please kindly go ahead to ask. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly go ahead to hit on the subscribe button. Now after cutting this out, what I'll do is I'll go ahead to use this same pattern, and I'll just place it and draft out my front pattern. You can decide to blend out your dart or sew it, right? So for the front pattern now, all you have to do is to add your button allowance. For the button allowance at the front, you can use 1 inch or 1.5 inches, something that is not too much. Now place your back pattern and you connect. Go ahead to outline the sides of your pattern all the way to the end or to the hemline. So while connecting here, I'll come down a little by 1 inch or 1.5 from the front and I'll connect. So this is what I have. So after this, I'll mark out a basic neckline of 3 inches by 2 or 3 inches by 2.5. Now what you do is mark your waistline to serve as a guide. From there, you're going to come down a bit to create your curve, right? So this is what I have now for the front. I'll just go ahead to use this as a guide to mark out where I have my dart, because you'll be sewing out your dart for this pattern. I'll also outline the chest line area and also for the bust area, just to show you where we have it on this dress. So from the waistline, you connect coming in by ½ to 1 inch, then join your pattern this way at the hemline. So what I'll do is to go ahead to cut this out. So if you have any questions so far, please kindly go ahead to ask. Now after cutting this and you're not okay with the hemline, you can just go ahead to go in bits. So for that slit at the front, you can use half inch to 1.5 to create your slit opening. So you notice on the waistline there's a belt, so you can cut like a belt and then attach it at the waistline all the way to the back.